Ladies and gentlemen, we're currently here at the Steve's POV HQ here in Los Angeles. Probably for the very last time, we are actually going to be moving the front splitter out of his house that he's graciously allowed me to keep the Bozo car and the front splitter and all the Takiare.
What's up, Gordon?
What's up, guys?
How are you? Is this gonna fit back here? It was in here once before, wasn't it?
It fit once, so I'm gonna.
Do you have a recollection of how it was in there?
I actually do not.
I'm thinking we could.
I think it was like angled or something like that. Let me open up these other doors right over here. Yeah, I think the seats got to go down. You can pretty much say today is errand day on the effspot channel. We're going to get the Mercedes S600 checked out, maybe rewrap the 6-to-1 headers underneath this massive M120 engine, and maybe see if we could get like a replacement part for the plastic that melted off something. And of course, the power steering is acting up a little bit as well. And the oil gauge is actually acting a little funky. I can't really demonstrate to you what it's doing, but this oil gauge right here, it fluctuates when I go over like a bump. So I don't know if the sensor's bad or what's going on. And of course, we got one of the massive front splitters here, all the way here in the S600. Guys, check this out. This is the last time you're gonna be seeing Steve's entire car collection in its entirety here in Los Angeles. Where's the RX-7 again? It's getting...
RX-7's getting alignment done right now.
Gotcha. They're unveiling their new... It's a project car, right? Project car?
New project car.
New project car. Yes, sir. So check out his channel. It's dropping very, very soon, in a couple days. But check this out. We got the Sunny Datsun truck with the 69. We got the infamous 458 with the FI exhaust right over here. We got the... Oh, man. When's the last time you drove this, Steve? Right here. When's the last time you drove this?
It's been a few weeks, man. I think we were down. Oh, and we drove together that time down in Malibu that morning.
That's right. That's right.
Tunnel blasted on our way back.
Little tunnel blast. And
with Officer Chase.
Don Chase, our man Don Chase. And of course, we got the... Whew, this is probably the most popular car on your channel, right, Steve? The Hako.
Definitely the most popular car.
100%. For the time being, ladies and gentlemen, the man cave is slowly being disassembled piece by piece. This is a very sad sight to see. We will really miss you, though.
I'm gonna miss you, man. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss everybody here.
Yes,
in
sir.
LA, all the friends, all the nice people Sunday mornings that we hang out with, right?
Absolutely.
But I want to invite you, of course, and
oh yeah, we'll be there.
Everybody
for sure.
come to Texas and feel the energy that I felt in this new place that I'm moving to, man. It's awesome.
Absolutely.
There's a great car scene there, and there's so many nice people. I can't wait to interact with.
For the time being, we got to go back to the S-Class, drop off the splitter, and then drop off the car. It's gonna be a busy day, guys. Let's roll.
We're waiting on you.
All right, man. Take care, guys. Appreciate it, man. All right.
Well.
Off we are in the Mercedes. Oh, I forgot. He's got the Raptor here, lifted Raptor with 200,000 plus miles. But ladies and gentlemen, let the errands begin. Whew. And there she goes, the good old Kaido Racer slash Bozo Zoku car. Currently 15 minutes ETA to the shop. Man, this place is looking like the Book of Revelations, apocalyptic, goddamn catastrophic fires here in California. Huge numbers of fires are burning throughout California. I think it's the most on record. I think the fire is actually stemming from that direction over there, but my goodness, yikes. Absolutely insane. It's super hazy and super ashy. Goddamn. Guys, we're here back at Best Motorworks. We still have the E500 sat out here, courtesy of Marcus, who actually moved back to China, Shanghai. So hope he's doing well. He actually recently got engaged, but this car is still here. I think the title was transferred to the owners of this shop, but we're currently lifting up the Mercedes S600 so we can basically see what's going on underneath and see the welding job of Mr. Sasaki at Brilliant Exhaust. Let's take a look. Explain, like, because I don't know anything about welding. Like, can you just tell me?
Like, look how clean these welds are.
Gotcha.
I don't know how to even say it.
Mr. Sasaki, master welder and master exhaust extraordinaire. Wow, this is the first time that we're actually seeing the $12,000 exhaust from underneath. So apparently what he was telling me was like the creation of the exhaust and the headers, that was pretty difficult, but the installation was like engine out service basically. So
yeah, I would.
Yeah, you can imagine. That's how a lot of German big engine cars are.
Yeah.
You have to bang things into place.
Oh, no kidding.
So even if your header's hitting a little.
Yeah.
That's nothing.
There's nothing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's what I was worried about.
And he made this so perfectly that you could get it on and off easily.
Yeah, just take them off by clamps.
Jeez. So you're saying this is the best work that you've seen in person?
Yeah, it's the best work that you've seen.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's where the $12,000 gone into Mr. Sasaki's fabricating and welding expertise.
Take it and just weld it to the chassis.
Gotcha.
He has it running perfect.
Gotcha.
All the mounts are perfect.
The mounts are perfect. Right over there. Boom. Jeez.
Yeah, everything looks centered too, with the muffler, with the tips too. Like,
oh, okay.
He did perfect work. Like
wow.
with the cuts too, from the muffler to the tips itself.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we got a couple things that need to be sorted out with the water pump, maybe an aftermarket thermostat. I asked about an aftermarket radiator. They said that wasn't really necessary. And I think the steering pump is one of the biggest issues. And I think there's a couple oil leaks underneath that I wasn't able to show you guys. But that being said, for the most part, this car is in pretty good shape. But they said this exhaust system has some of the best fabrication and welding that they've ever seen, compared to other major brands that I will not personally name, but there it is. And that is why this exhaust system costs $12,000. Yeah, damn, ladies and gentlemen, Best Work Motors hooking it up. We're gonna be taking the car back here at a future day, but they said the car is mechanically sound for the time being. Let's adjust the seat right here, get the AC blasting. Let's put that on low right over, yeah. But man, bozo splitter. And hopefully it's not fucking up my dash. We got the bubble wrap right over here. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Point Magoo with a Nissan GTR. We got a Porsche GT3 RS right over here. Here we go. A lot of wind noise. We're in a Porsche GT3 RS. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the sand nose rolling here. Yeah, check out that wing, dude. Got this charger. Wow. Insane. So smooth. I know, right? So smooth. It's super smooth. It sucks down on the road. It's great. Wow, it's so planted. Unbelievable. Holy crap. Just ruining everyone's sunset little picnic, you know? I know, right? Flex. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, look at that move. Woo! Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Oh. Guys, dude, check out this whole lineup we got going on over here. Wait, what is he doing? Oh, God. Oh, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Stand over here. We got the whole squad. What the fuck? Dude, I swear to God, we did not set any of this up. We all just randomly ran into each other. We got a full house, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Woo! How the fuck did any of this happen? Oh my gosh. We are going to get pulled over. It's like with every downshift? Oh yeah, it's up with the downshift. Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god, dude. Look at the cops. There's something going on here.
Where?
On the right. There's a bunch of cops.
Yeah, there's another one right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, I don't think they care.
I think they have other stuff going on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's something going on.
It's kind of weird that they're spraying stuff. I wonder what happened there.
Yeah, this is pretty sus, dude. Maybe they're like looking for somebody. I got it, Max. Thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like the camera work, give Matt Shostak a follow on Instagram. Right over near. Look, there's another cop. They're looking for someone, dude. They have to be. Oh, what the fuck? Oh boy. Hold on, let's zoom out here. Sorry guys, we were zoomed in a little bit, but they are on the prowl and on the hunt for something and somebody. I don't like the look of this. Oh yeah, they're looking for somebody. Jeez. Way, dude. Wait, who got pulled over?
Lexus?
What? What? So who's in the car right now? Trippie Red
and PNB Rock.
PNB Rock and Trippie Red, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, the McLaren. Hey, Alex, he wants it. He wants it.
Yo.
You said it's who?
Hey, he wants you. He wants to talk to
Alex,
you.
go talk to him.
He wants you. He's calling you.
No fucking way.
No way. What the fuck is going on?
In the passenger, you can see his hair.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's Trippie Red.
Yo. No way.
Yo, apparently Trippie Red's in that fucking car right there.
Sometimes in life, you just get pulled over. And sometimes you just gotta do a pull right in front of the cops.